Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Discovery Plus to Google TV step by step, so you can start watching your favorite documentaries, reality shows, and exclusive originals in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV device and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the top menu. Step 2. Select the Apps tab. This section allows you to browse, search, and manage all apps available on Google TV. Step 3. Choose Search for Apps and Games and type Discovery Plus using the on-screen keyboard, or press the voice button on your remote and say Discovery Plus. Step 4. From the search results, select the official Discovery Plus app. Be sure to choose the verified app to ensure proper installation and updates. Step 5. Click Install. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This process usually takes less than a minute. Once the installation is complete, select Open or access Discovery Plus later from the Apps section on your Google TV home screen. Step 7. When the app opens, sign in to your Discovery Plus account. Enter your email and password using the remote, or follow the on-screen instructions to sign in using a code on another device. After signing in, your profile and content library will load. You can now browse categories, search for shows, and start streaming Discovery Plus on Google TV. If Discovery Plus is already pre-installed on your device, simply open it from the Apps section and sign in using the same steps. You've now successfully added Discovery Plus to Google TV, and you're ready to enjoy your content. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful step-by-step guides.